Today we embark on a journey to explore the profound impact of a healthy and nutrient-rich meal plan on our overall well-being. In our fast-paced lives, where time is a precious commodity, understanding the significance of what we put on our plates can make a world of difference. Let's start by acknowledging that a well-balanced meal plan is not just about calorie counting or fitting into a certain dress size. It's a key factor in promoting good health, providing the necessary fuel for our bodies to function optimally. So why is it so crucial? Fueling your engine. Imagine your body as a high-performance car. To run smoothly, it requires the right type and amount of fuel. A nutrient-rich meal plan ensures that your body gets the essential vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats it needs to operate efficiently. Just like a car can't function without the right fuel, your body can't perform at its best without the right nutrients. Building strong foundations. Nutrient-rich foods play a pivotal role in the growth and maintenance of our bodies. Proteins help in building and repairing tissues, while calcium and vitamin D contribute to strong bones. A well-rounded meal plan acts as the foundation for a healthy, resilient body, supporting growth in the young and maintaining vitality in the older population. Boosting immunity. Think of your immune system as the body's defense force. Nutrient-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables are like the armor that strengthens this defense. They provide antioxidants and vitamins that help protect your body against illnesses, infections, and other health challenges. A well-nourished immune system is your shield against the storms of diseases. Balancing the scale. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about appearances, it's about ensuring your body is in harmony. A balanced meal plan, rich in fiber and nutrients, helps regulate your appetite and prevents overeating. It's the sustainable approach to weight management, promoting steady and gradual loss or maintenance, rather than quick fixes with short-lived results. Here are some questions you can ask ChatGPT about healthy meal plans, nutrient values, and weight loss. What are some key components of a balanced and healthy meal plan? And you see, ChatGPT provide you protein, carbohydrate, fruits, vegetables, water, portion control and fiber, etc. Can you provide information on the nutritional value of common foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains? So ChatGPT give us information about fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and very detailed answer gives us. After that, another question we can ask with ChatGPT. Can you provide guidance on achieving and maintaining a healthy BMI? Enter. And ChatGPT gave us very detailed information about it. Balanced diet, regular physical activity, lifestyle choices, regular health checkups, and realistic goals. Another question. Can you suggest specific foods or meals plans that can aid in weight loss? So you see, ChatGPT answers about lean proteins, high fiber foods, healthy fats, low calorie vegetables, and portion controlled carbohydrates. Next question I can ask, can you recommend a combination of diet and exercises for effective weight loss? So ChatGPT give me an answer. Balanced diet, regular physical activity, behavioral strategies, and professional guidance. In conclusion, a healthy and nutrient-rich meal plan is not a mere lifestyle choice. It's an investment in your present and future well-being. By making conscious decisions about the foods you consume, you are taking proactive steps towards a healthier, happier you.